Good morning, everyone. Dr. Athanazi Rana here. I'm so glad to have you all here today. I appreciate your presence in today's International Virtual Conference on recent trends and techniques in mathematics, mathematical and computer science. A very warm welcome on my own behalf and on the behalf of Government Degree College Hall, GNP, Cape Cromin Trust, India, Lavender Literary Club, Cape Cromin Publisher, Tamil Nadu, India at this event. I'm glad to have privilege to welcome our esteemed guests and the dignitaries whose presence is enlightening this virtual event. I warmly welcome Professor Sumnes Jasrotia, Principal Government Degree College, Darhal, Jammu and Kashmir, India. Professor Akil Ahmed, Chairman, Department of Statics and Operational Research, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, India. Professor Madhu Jain, Department of Mathematics, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, Roorkee, India. Dr. R.S. Regin Silvest, President Cape Cromin Trust, Tamil Nadu, India. Dr. Prasanthan Rajasinghe, Department of Mathematics and Statics, University of Jaffna, Sri Lanka. Dr. Harish Garg, Department of Mathematics, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, India. Dr. A.K. Malik, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Technology, Pilani, Rajasthan, India. Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Department of Applied Sciences and Humanities, Shaheed Bhagat Singh State University, Firozpur, Punjab, India. Dr. A.M. Anto, Department of Mathematics, Malankara Catholic College, Kanyakumari, India. Dr. M. Regis, Head of the Department, Malankara Catholic College, Kanyakumari, India. Once again, a warm welcome. Proceeding further, I request Professor Sumnes Jasrotia, Principal Government Degree College, Darhal, for inaugural address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Rama. I esteem today's Professor Akil Ahmed, Chairman, Department of Statistics and Operational Research, Aligarh Muslim University. Professor Madhu Jain, Department of Roorkee. Principal, various government degree colleges in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Dr. R.S. Regin Silvest, President of Cape Cromin Trust, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Prasanthan Rajasinghe, Department of Mathematics and Statistics, University of Jaffna, Sri Lanka. Dr. Harish Garg, Department of Mathematics, Thapar Institute of Engineering. Dr. A.K. Malik, Department of Mathematics, Vela Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Bhagat Singh State University, Punjab. Convener Dr. A.M. Anto, Dr. Shobra Jampal, Government College of Jammu. Organizing Secretary, Dr. Mathematics, Government Degree College, Darhal. Dr. Hassan Ahmad, IPSC Coordinator, Government Degree College, Darhal. Dr. Imtiaz Hussain Shah, esteemed academicians, researchers, scholars, and all the participants of this international virtual conference. It's a great honor to welcome you to the 2 days international work in recent trends and techniques in mathematical and computer science, Jammu and Kashmir, in collaboration with Cape Cromin Trust, Tamil Nadu, with Lavender Literary Club. A very warm welcome and special welcome to our distinguished guests, especially Akil Ahmed, Chairman, Department of Statistics and Operational Research, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, and Professor Madhu Jain, Department of Mathematics and Institute of Technology, Roorkee. A rare opportunity for a newly established college like Government Degree College, Darhal. COVID pandemic has been a blessing in this college. As online interactions in the form of webinars and virtual conference I don't think that we could have organized such mega events without this online tools. And we are lucky enough that we will be listening to technicians from highly reputed academic institutions of India. Government Degree College, the hall, it's a newly established college in this college, just in 2019, and the hall is situated at a distance of 23 kilometers from Rajouri. It's a very beautiful place, surrounded by mountains from both sides and is also known as Gold Valley. The weather is very pleasant, generally, even in summer. The temperature does not rise above 32 degrees Celsius, and winters are usually cool to so it's a very cool place. This place has exceptional scenic beauty. The Government Degree College, the college is located exactly in the center. The newly established college is a striving point for faculty to grow. The number of students is increasing with each passing number. That the unique figure in this, the hall area. The college is feeding a large chunk of population of the college is fully equipped with professional center, digital classrooms, equipment, internet connectivities in our hall, and a library with good number of books. Career counseling and placement center of the college is organizing so many workshops and activities to provide knowledge to the students regarding the various fields of the NSS unit of the college is quite active and regularly organizing many activities working as Corona warriors to support and lead the needy. The faculty members of the college are making long efforts to take this college to new heights, organizing national this new academic institution that the Ministry of Higher Education, Government of Jammu and Kashmir is providing all kinds of better academic group development of this newly established college and thank the department.
Oh, okay, I think due to some technical issues because it's heavy rain here in Rajouri. So now I request Dr. M. Regis, head of the department, Malankara Catholic College, Kanyakumari, India, for formal felicitations. Regis, sir,
Okay, sir.
over to you.
Very good morning to all. Respected Professor Sumanesh Dasaria, Principal, Government Degree College, Tarhal. Dr. R.S. Regin Sylvester, Founder President, Cape Memorial Trust. Dr. Ando A.M., Convener of this conference. Professor Akhil Ahmed, Aligarh Muslim University. Professor Dr. Madhu Jain, Institute of Technology, Roorkee. And respected plenary speakers, Professor Dr. Prasandan Rajasingham, University of Jaffna. Professor Dr. Harish Garg, Tabor Institute of Engineering and Technology. All other professors, dignitaries, and my dear scholars.
That's all. Hello. 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 That's all. Hello. I think I lost
It
the
is
connection.
great pleasure.
I'm again. I'm audible, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible, sir? Hello. Dr. Lana.
Okay. Shall I proceed?
Hello.
It is great pleasure to come to connect this platform
Hello.
to meet all of you.
Hello. Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello, Dr. Lana.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers of this international virtual conference on recent trends and technology in mathematical and computer science. I'm happy to see the motto of this virtual conference, that is to enhance the young scholars' knowledge towards the current developments of pure and applied mathematics and computer science. Mathematics shares much in common with many fields like physical sciences as well as computer science. Notably, the exploration of the logical significance of assumptions. Pure mathematics is the study of mathematical concepts independently of any applications outside mathematics, and applied mathematics focus on the formulation, study, and use of mathematical in science and engineering. In this international virtual conference, we are going to discuss the new and innovative concepts on pure and applied mathematics. We have two good international speakers for this conference, Professor Dr. Prasanthan Rajasingham from Jaffna University and Professor Dr. Harish Garg, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. They will explore the new and innovative concepts on current knowledge in pure and applied mathematics and computer science. This is one of the good opportunity to the young research scholars to present their new findings to the society. I congratulate all the scholars who are going to present their findings in this international platform. Also, I appreciate the organizers of this conference, Cape Comorin Trust, Lavender Literary Club, and Government College, Darkhal, for providing this great platforms to our scholars. Especially, I congratulate and appreciate Dr. Rajan Silverest and Dr. Andrew and their team. I wish this conference for a great success. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice and kind words.